This is Headliner from Arrested Development, and I come here tonight to give thanks to the rain. So brothers and sisters, please put down your umbrellas. You won't be needing those today. Look to the clouds with the most rain coming from it. For without the rain, there's no me and there's no you. I said a drip drop, a drip drop, drip drop. Drip drop. Let it rain, let God's water feed me. The water of life, mentally rinsing me, physically drenching me. Most are frowning upon your arrival, but I need you for survival. And when you follow my community, I run outside to properly greet you. Let it rain, take my pain, I'm glad to meet you. Fill my eyes with a colorful rainbow. Every drop that hits me fills me with unimmeasurable amount of security, knowing my God acknowledges me as it feeds drop of rain is aimed toward me. My Lord, thanks for life. Thanks for my rain. My Lord, thanks for life. Thanks for my rain. It's rainy revolution. It's rainy solution. It's rainy revolution. 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 I strut through the ghetto. The rain this time I feel is mental. The goal of this rain I feel is spiritual. Saw through the eyes of the inflicted people. The eyes are hard as a million tombstones, marked with the names of the millions of kin thrown to the dust that gave them their colored skin. Fade to black is the scene they're embalmed in. The rain many nights have witnessed her receiving the sperm of a brother into a sister, and blessed that life to guaranteed existence. A conscious baby for a black resistance. I feel the rain enhances a revolution. It reminds us of a spiritual solution. It reminds us of an unnatural, supernatural solution. It's rainy revolution. 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 Lost between reality and psychology. 1990s mentality is described by the honorable truth message, which is true knowledge is so priceless, which is so true. Ray, stay here. Woo! Love that power. Brothers and sisters, raise your hands up high and let me see the colors of your beautiful skin. Now the ceremony begins. Lord, let the heavenly rain cleanse. Run into your nearest rainbow to grab hold, to ride on each color, learning the importance of each color. Oh yeah.